Hi, welcome and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today. In today's video, we are going to be making Koobi or salted tilapia fish. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access as always. For this recipe, we are going to be using some salt, fresh tilapia and some cloves. The clove is optional and I'll tell you later why I'm using this. So I'm just going to use a cardboard and I'll lay on a paper towel. I'll sprinkle some salt. I'm using cold salt and also some table salt because I don't have enough of any of the two. So you can choose to use only one type of salt. I will sprinkle some cloves onto the salt and I will also lay on my tilapia. The reason I'm using these cloves, it's totally optional and I advise if you can use it in your recipe. Naturally, cloves has a spice, gives flavor to food and also help take away water and substances, and this is going to help in my dehydrating process and also give some aroma to my fish. So I'm just going to pour some salt into the cavity of the fish. I'll do for both of them and I'll lay them down and I'll add some more salt onto the fish. The idea of this process is using the salt to cure or to dehydrate the fish, making the fish dry enough so it doesn't go bad, even if not in the refrigerator or in the freezer. So after this, I'm just going to cover this and sprinkle some more cloves on it, and I'm going to be laying this or leaving this in my garage. You can leave it at any airy place, but that is the right place for me to leave it. I will leave it on and check on it, and I'm going to be leaving this until I check and I feel it is fully dry. The salt and the cloves have really dehydrated the fish. You can see how dry it's looking and you cannot smell anything. There is no foul smell, and that is the great point about using the cloves as well. It makes everything clean and it smells good. And our Koobi or salted tilapia is ready. You can cut this into smaller bits and put it in the freezer for your soups, for your stews, and it gives this peculiar taste and aroma to your food. Especially I love this in light soup. Also check out my tolo beef or salted beef recipe. Shout out to Mrs. Sosu for sharing that recipe with me. Thank you so much for joining me in this adventure and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.